In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a dishwasher upper rack manifold. It's really simple and easy to do. The only tool I'm really going to need is a Phillips screwdriver, and the rest are just pretty much snaps in. The reason why I'm replacing it, once I get this out, you'll see why. But this tube right here is completely blown out. You just unscrew this screw right here. See, here's what I mean. It just deteriorated, blew out, kind of shot. We will need to keep this, so we're not going to break any of this. But now we just unscrew this right here. And that'll allow that to come out. So now what we'll do is we'll take the old arm here and the new one. We've already put the little plastic bushing in. We'll slide that in like that. This goes in like this. We'll feed the screw back down in there. Snug it up like that. Should spin freely. So if we need to make sure we got this facing the right direction. In the case of this, like that, so now I need to re-snug it. This piece here. Put the new one on. Now what we'll do is we'll run this into here. Turn up like that. It should spin freely. We'll take the original lock. Put that back in like this. Making sure to tighten it down. And it will slide a little bit back and forth. Allows it to self-realign. We'll push it in, make sure it lines up in there. Spins free. And we're good to go. Now that we got all this back in here, you can see it spins easily, and we'll slide it in here. And it should fit right in back there where the feed tube goes in. Just like that. And that's pretty much all it takes to replace this upper control arm. So if you ever find yourself in the similar situation that I did with this tube blowing out on your dishwasher, it's really simple to fix. It only takes one screwdriver generally, and just a little bit of time and effort and some carefulness to not break any clips that you have to reuse, but it's really simple to fix. I'll go ahead and link this whole assembly down below in the description so you can check it out. Most dishwashers are going to have this type of assembly, so they're really easy to replace and can save you a hefty plumbing bill. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you want to see other videos like this or any other videos that I produce, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll know exactly when they're posted. Thank you.